today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, let me first say Happy Father's Day to all the beautiful fathers out there, all the lovely grandpapas that when daddies aren't around or they don't show up, those grandpapas, they make it happen. I just want to say, hope you have a blessed day, peaceful day. Hope you get some pampering. To all those new fathers out there, big up on yourself. Welcome to the world of fatherhood. Thank you all so much. And today, I have for you a nice little fruit juice that we'll be putting together. But let me also pause to say special thanks to my patrons that have been making my page possible. If you would like to be a member of my Patreon family, in the description of this and all my other videos, there will be the link. Today's post notification shout out goes to that Sheppy Bradshaw chain has been broken. Georgia Gerald. Gigi, big up yourself. Manners and respect. Let's get right on to our Father's Day beverage. So inside my blender here, I have got one fat ripe banana, just one. I have got some lime and I'll be cutting my limes. I have peeled. You can do it also. You can remove your seed. Remove it, not can. Remove your seeds, peel the lime, and remove that white membrane thing or that white sitting there over it. So we're going to be putting these limes in there with the pulps and everything. It makes the juice so good. So we're going to be putting in our little limes. We have frozen plantain. So we're cut up with lime then. I'm going to put some ice in. And in the packet, I said frozen plantain. You can try a plantain too, because I don't know why I keep saying plantain. I've got here some all fresh ginger juice. You don't want to put the ginger in there, and because it has the strings. Remember, the mango is soft, the papaya is soft, and the banana is soft. Put in as much ginger as you would like. Okay, we're going to put it on our blender, and we're going to roll for the ice crush right now. Yeah, so ice crush is where we got it. Crush ice. Starting off like this. This is for our fathers and papas, grandpapas, and for our dads. Now, let's get right on over here. We got a papaya and a mango. Your mango of choice. Gonna peel this papaya. It doesn't have to be, you don't really want it overly ripe. You want to have it that you can angle yourself. But I don't know who gonna tell me, so I put this skin in there. So if you want to put the skin in there, go ahead. I don't want the skins in mine. Gonna peel this papaya and return. So we have our mango, our cut. We started on the papaya. So we went ahead and cut with mango. So what I want you to do is to leave about a teaspoon of your papaya seeds, right? Yeah, it's good for the gut. It is a little bitterish, but it come like a little, it's gonna have a little like angostura bitter taste, you know, the little drops there, yeah, to the mix. So we're gonna remove. This is enough. This is good. This is about a teaspoon or a little more than a teaspoon. So we're gonna remove these seeds and return. So see, I've removed all from this piece. Remember, do not leave too much, no more than about a teaspoon of the seeds. They're very strong, but they are good. You know, papaya seeds, read up on it. Alright? Not like a, you know, that come like, oh, you see them advertise a seed, a chia seed. But it is good for the guts. When I juice papaya, I always leave a few of the seeds in there. Remember, not a lot. So you see, we got our frozen banana. We've got some ice in. We got our ginger. We got our lime. You can use lemon. I'm gonna put this in there and come back. To this, we're gonna add, if you have honey, but we're gonna have just a little tidbit of molasses. Optional, you don't have to, but you know, molasses is good for your nerves, you know? Yeah, and maybe you want to get more babies, so you can go ahead with your molasses. So you see that? We had our frozen banana, our ice, ice. We had ginger juice. Remember not to put the ginger in there. Make the juice, or if you want, put a little ginger powder. We have our papaya or mango. If you want to get them frozen, you could. So if you had them frozen, you would not need the ice. And we had our little citrus, of course. So we're going to put a little bit of water right now, because the papaya is like really soft, and we have that little icy thing going down in there and all of that. So now we are going to put it on liquefy. So our little beverage is ready, Father's Day beverage. And you can see these little blocks. These are the little papaya seeds. Yeah. So this is what I have for you today, all you papas and your grandpapas and daddies. Look at me right here. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your plate, and most of all, to your stomach. Happy Father's Day, fathers and grandfathers and grandpapas. Enjoy. It is cold. And look here. If you love that little spirit thing, you want to lift your spirit, you want to put a little warmth, feel free to put it there. From my kitchen to yours once more. Happy Father's Day. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. We'll catch you again with another video.